In today's episode, we are going to draw Blossom from the Powerpuff Girls. Hi, I'm Miss K.
And I'm Mr. K.
And we are K. Hi everyone, Miss K here. So we're going to start to draw Blossom today. We'll start off with a circle, as usual for the head. Always draw lightly so that you can go over it again and again to define the shape. Then we'll continue on with the body. Straight line down. And for the other side, slightly curved line. And then a curved line across to separate the body from the legs. We'll be drawing the right leg and the left leg, which is slightly bigger than the right. Curve at the bottom. And the patterns for the dress. Now we're going to move on to the left hand. It is just a combination of two curved lines and curved at the end, just to show that the hand is on the waist. And then the right hand, curved lines as well, inwards towards the body. Now we're going to draw guidelines for Blossom's bangs. So she has a few slits across her bangs. I'm just going to darken the pencils. Now moving on to the eyes. Curved shaped eyes and the mouth. Now for the center of the eye, we're just going to add two curved lines for the left eye and a circle in the middle. And then a circle for the right eye and another curved line. Shall move on to her ribbon. The ribbon looks a bit like bunny ears, so you can go all the way up, curve it back down. Same goes for the other side, but slightly smaller. And then her hair falls all the way to the back, down. So it's more like a J shape, J lettered shape for the right side, and the left side is the opposite J. And for the shoes, just curved lines and a semicircle that looks like a smiley. Alright, so our pencil drawing is done. Shall move on to coloring. I will use red and orange. Red for her ribbon, orange for her hair, and of course pink for her signature color. As usual, skin tone colors for her skin, and black for outlining and the rest of her body. Right, so we have Blossom. Thanks everyone for watching this episode, and we hope you like, share and subscribe to our channel. See ya soon, bye!